10 Best Muscle Foods. Foods you should eat when trying to build muscles. Did you know that certain foods will make you build muscles if you eat those foods often? These foods will help you gain lean muscle and help you look your absolute best. Keep watching to learn their names and how they can help you transform your body. Your diet has as much an effect on your body as your workouts. If you are looking to build your muscles, you need to eat lots of proteins to give your body the nutrients it needs to bulk up. According to a study completed by researchers for Canada's McMaster University, the ideal daily protein intake of someone looking to build muscle mass is approximately 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight. So if you weigh 180 pounds, you will need to consume about 144 grams of protein per day. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. If you divide that requirement into 3 meals, your goal should be to eat at least 48 grams of protein per meal. To make that possible, here are the 10 best muscle foods you can eat to load up on proteins and bulk up quickly. 1. Chicken legs. Eating a whole chicken leg will give you 62 grams of protein. Make sure you consume both the drumstick and thighs, and feel free to eat the skin on occasion. 2. Lamb roast. If you eat a 6-ounce portion of roasted lamb, you consume as much as 60.4 grams of protein. However, try not to have this too often, as lamb is high in cholesterol and saturated fats. 3. Lean chicken breast. A typical 6-ounce serving of chicken breast contains 54.4 grams of protein. It is an excellent choice for building muscles because it is also low in fat and limited in calories compared to its red meat counterparts. 4. Firm tofu. A 1 1/4 cup of firm tofu will give you as much as 54.4 grams of protein. This is an excellent choice because it is low in cholesterol and is a good source of copper and iron. 5. Ground turkey. A 6-ounce portion of turkey burgers will give you 53.9 grams of protein. Try to get ground turkey made from the leaner parts of the bird to limit your fat intake. 6. Pork chops. Having 6 ounces of pork chops will give you 52.7 grams of protein. Although tempting, try to avoid the fat surrounding this cut and go for the leaner parts. Apart from protein, pork is rich in niacin and thiamine. 7. Turkey breast. Consuming a 6-ounce portion of turkey breast will give you 51.2 ounces of protein. Feel free to have this with a side of cranberry sauce, but try to avoid stuffing, which is commonly rich in carbohydrates. 8. Tuna steak. A 6-ounce fillet of tuna gives you 50.8 grams of protein. The best way to have this is grilled or steamed with little to no fat. Fish is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. 9. Grouper fillet. A single fillet of grouper has 50.2 grams of protein. This is a good source of potassium and selenium and is excellent to enjoy with a side of salad greens. 10. Skirt steak. It takes a 6-ounce portion of skirt steak to consume 48.7 grams of protein. Although slightly lower in protein than other meat sources, beef is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, selenium, phosphorus, and zinc. When you are trying to build your muscles, it is not enough to do your strength training exercises. You can keep lifting weights without having much impact on your body. If you are serious about building your muscles, you also need to work on your nutrition. Specifically, you should eat plenty of proteins to give your body solid building blocks to build muscles. Following are references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.